car show. More cars to look at. This is the truck that was selling like food or something. What do we got here? That Jeep. Subies.
You even know that he's better. No, I don't want him to, so he can say
Dude, my car's not high anymore. I can't see you.
All right.
oh, thank God the girls.
Now these car shows here, they're here like supposedly. One second. Turbo. Wow. Sick. Wow.
Who was that? Yeah. Subi right there.
I was not expecting this.
I also got this drifts in the Honda.
Yeah.
Hey, where's your Honda, man?
Honda?
You gonna do any drifts tonight?
Nah. The thing doesn't have enough horsepower.
You were trying to last time.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough power. You can, if you could eBay turbo kit it, it'll be fine. Just give me a turbo.
Speaking of that, I think the new Honda's here. The new Honda Type R. Want to come see it?
Wait, Type R?
Yeah, the new one.
Dude, I've always wanted to see a new Type R.
There it is.
Where?
White one.
This is a Type R?
The new one.
Jeez. Holy crap, that actually is a Type R. Who owns it?
That guy. That guy's Richard.
Okay. Oh my god. Alright. You own this Type R?
Yes.
Nice, man.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's my first time seeing it in person. I think this is like the first Type R in America.
Yeah, it is for the past 20 years. We haven't had one.
For the
People have had to import the right-hand drive.
Right. But the 25-year rule won't let it.
What's that?
If there's like a 25-year rule where you can't import cars newer than 25 years old. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Out of 1,000 coming to the States, 6,000 total for the world.
There's only 1,000 in the States?
Only 1,000 are allowed in the States. It's 544.
And how much is this car?
45,000.
45,000. This is a base model?
No, that's the only model.
Only model with like all the options?
Yeah, it's touring and everything. I'll open it up so you can see inside.
Could I?
You can sit on this side.
It's not the driver's side.
Yeah.
I mean, wowzer. It's got. Wow. This is. Wait, this number 544 right here? Wow, this is the new Honda Civic Type R. Sorry. Holy shit. Oh man.
It's front wheel, right? Yeah, it's all front wheel drive. No torque speed, 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. Top speed, 172. I've gotten mine up to 169. And,
Where'd you get it up to 169?
in Earlville, where I'm living right now.
Earlville? How far? Is that like southern
It's
Illinois?
like 70 miles south. That's where I drove up here from.
I think my personal fastest in my base LX there was like 105.
I haven't gone fast, I just pull hard. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing.
There's that Volvo. What's this thing? Scion, an Audi, Mitsubishi, Subi. My fucking god. Oh, they're running car. Grab it. Grab it.
Oh, we got 10 seconds.
America. Holy shit! How much space you got?